Hello traders, welcome to the second Forex market analysis. Today we will be analyzing US oil, the Euro pairs, French indice, and the German indice. US oil, start on the monthly. Support here, resistance here, resistance here. We have a buy zone here. Move to the weekly, resistance here. Move to the daily. Resistance here. This resistance line is at price, so I'd like to see a break for buys or a rejection for sells. Support here. When I switch to the weekly time frame, these two resistance lines are better as sell zones, and come to think of it, these two support lines that are right next to each other, they'll look better as a buy zone. EURCAD, start on the monthly, resistance here, we have a buy zone here. Move to the weekly, trend support here. As you guys can see, trends are not always perfect. Here we have a fake out. Support here. We have a sell zone here. Move to the daily. Trend support here. So what I'd like to see here is a break of this first trend support and then a break of this magic entry here. This is when 2 points meet. So you have two different mindsets, well, two different traders looking at the same thing. So watch for a rejection or a break here for sells or buys. Euro AUD, start on the monthly, resistance here, we have a buy zone here. Move to the weekly. Resistance here. Trend support here. As you guys can see, this was a previous magic entry. Trend resistance here. Move to the daily. Support here. EURCHF. Start on the monthly. Resistance here. Trend resistance here. Move to the weekly. Resistance here. Move to the daily. Trend resistance here. So we're right next to trend resistance, so I'm definitely going to be watching for a rejection. We have a sell zone here. Trend support here. I'd like for trend support to be broken at sell zone. EURGBP. Start on the monthly. We have a sell zone here. Support here. We have a buy zone here. Trend support here. Move to the weekly. Support here. Trend support here. I'm definitely going to be looking for this break for a move down to support. Move to the daily. EURJPY. Start on the monthly. Trend resistance here. Trend support here. So we're at trend's resistance, so watch out. I'd like to see this trend resistance break for buys. Resistance here. Resistance here. This is perfect. So we have resistance right here and our trend rejection. So I'm definitely either watching for a rejection or a break. Trend support here. Move to the weekly. We have a sell zone here. We have a buy zone here. Move to the daily. Trend support here. Maybe a rejection from here to trend support. We also have a consolidation rectangle. Euro NZD. Start on the monthly. Resistance here. We have a sell zone here. Move to the weekly. Support here. Trend support here. I'll definitely be watching for this bounce or break. Trend resistance here. Move to the daily. Euro USD, start on the monthly. We have a sell zone here. We have a sell zone here. We have a buy zone here. Resistance here. Move to the weekly. Support here. Move to the daily. We have a buy zone here. So what I'm looking for is for Euro USD to consolidate here and then decide which direction it wants to take, just like how it did previously. French indice, start on the monthly. Trend resistance here. Trend support here. Resistance here. So we're at resistance right now, so I'm definitely going to be watching for maybe a rejection down to trend support. We have a buy zone here. We have a buy zone here. We have a buy zone here. Move to the weekly. Move to the daily. Finally, we have the DAX. Start on the monthly. Support here. Trend support here. We have a buy zone here. We have a buy zone here. Move to the weekly. Trend support here. So I'm going to be watching for this rejection down to the buy zone or trend support. Move to the daily. Trend resistance here. Now that I look at it, I'd actually like to see this trend support to be broken to the downside. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next Forex market analysis. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.
I said, well, I'm bored and